Welcome back to Clean Titans. I'm in Centerville, Texas. There are 6 Vivian and 12 Tesla superchargers here. This is one of the few Vivian superchargers I've seen. When you come to this location, make sure that the car brings you to the chargers. It was taking me to the gas station instead of coming here. It's kind of off into the corner on the side of the station, and the car was going in the wrong direction. So be mindful of that. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends about Clean Titans. Thank you for supporting us by sharing, like, and helping us out on Buy Me a Coffee, so we can continue to bring these. Please be sure to watch our long form amazing interviews from all over the world, 25 countries, amazing people doing amazing things. It's so profound, they can change the course of your life. Thank you.